That is a snappy graphic. I like that little ditty. That's nice. All right, Tom McGlade, he's the Senior Vice President of Marketing and E-Commerce at Vienna Beef. He joins us on the Zoom direct from Chicago. We're going to learn how to make a world-famous Chicago-style hot dog. Tom, I'm so glad you're here, man. Thank you.
Erik, glad to be on the show today. Thank you.
Yes, and if I understand this correctly, you're in Chicago. You're at the Vienna Beef factory. Is that right?
Yeah, I'm at the factory store here in Chicago. We have two factory stores, but this is our primary one.
Now, the good news is right now we're going to learn how to make a Chicago-style, an official Chicago-style hot dog. But more important, we're also going to show people at home how they can do it as well, which is awesome because these ingredients are available to purchase and have shipped right to the house. I want to start with what is a Chicago-style hot dog? Let's go there.
All right, so a Chicago-style hot dog, of course, starts with a Vienna Beef hot dog.
Got it.
There's more Vienna hot dog stands in Chicago than Wendy's, Burger King, and McDonald's combined. So we're a hot dog town. But by making a Chicago-style hot dog, we call it dragging it through the garden. So you put all these wonderful ingredients on top of the hot dog in the bun.
All right, let me ask you this, though. Do the ingredients vary based on taste? Like, do Chicagoans, do they say, I want a Chicago-style hot dog, but they may vary the ingredients a little or no?
Hardly at all. Once in a while, we'll have a customer modify it a bit to give it a little personality of his own. They might put a cucumber on there. They might put a little shredded lettuce. But for the most part, the ingredients I described, which we call the 7 sacred condiments, are standard on a hot dog. Chicago-style hot dog. What you notice, though, no ketchup.
Where did the idea of the Chicago-style hot dog come from?
It really started during the Depression in the 1930s when money was scarce and food was at a premium, and you could make a real meal by putting all of those toppings on top of a regular hot dog. And we were a real ethnic town, so kind of many of the ingredients came from the different ethnic groups in Chicago. So, you know, it was an inexpensive meal that's become extremely popular, not unlike, you know, deep dish pizza or an Italian beef sandwich in Chicago.
Are we going to go in the kitchen and actually
We are. We're going to take a walk now. Erik, we're going to make 4 hot dogs here for you, all in a row.
Oh, my gosh. Now, wait.
And I'm going to show you here.
Are these ingredients, have they been properly social distanced, these ingredients?
Social distancing is at a premium here.
Okay.
So the first product that we're using is a steamed poppy seed bun.
Got it.
We're going to do 4 in a row here to show you kind of a mass production, if you will.
Wow. This is awesome. And you have to have
we start with that steamed poppy seed bun, which is not the easiest product to find in the market. That's why we're happy to ship all these products to you, all these ingredients, via viennabeef.com or amazon.com.
Got it.
So we're going to start with a natural casing Vienna beef hot dog. Those can be steamed, grilled, or boiled.
What's your favorite cooking method?
I prefer the boiled or steamed.
Got it. Okay.
On a Polish sausage, I'd rather have it grilled. So
Okay.
the first topping we put on is yellow mustard.
Okay.
Vienna Beef makes their own yellow mustard.
Now, hold on a second, Tom. Right away, is that ketchup in the back there? What's going on
That's
with that?
ketchup, but that's only for children or if you're still using training wheels on your bike.
Okay. Perfect. Okay, next.
Okay, next ingredient is relish.
Now, Tom, I can't help
This is neon green relish.
Yeah, this looks like it came out of a spaceship. What's going on here with this relish?
Yeah. Back in the day, we made the relish sweeter by putting sugar in it and a little food coloring to give it that very unique green look. And that's what makes a Chicago-style hot dog more authentic than if you just used what I'd call standard military green relish.
Got it, the camouflage relish. Okay, next.
Next ingredient, onions chopped.
Love it.
And notice we're dressing the hot dog. We're not dressing the bun. We're putting all the ingredients right on top of the hot dog.
Oh my gosh, this looks amazing already.
Okay, the next ingredient, tomato. Chopped tomato. Sometimes people dice them. Some people slice them. In this case, we're putting 2 on each sandwich.
Okay.
Starting to look like it's Chicago-style hot dog, but we're still not there.
Now, who is your hot dog helper over there, Tom?
So this is Angie.
Hi, Angie. Hi. Love your shirt. Well, finally, Tom, you brought an attractive
that's the Chicago
person.
hot dog shirt.
Good. Good. Okay.
Next, we have a green pickle spear.
Oh, yes.
So we're starting to cover it all up. Remember, I called it dragging it through the garden. All those wonderful vegetables are going on there that complement the hot dog.
Oh, my gosh.
Next, now we do sport peppers. Sport peppers are a little hot pepper we import from Mexico.
Okay.
And of course, those are optional in case they're too spicy for someone.
Sure.
And the finishing touch is celery salt.
Wow. This looks amazing, Tom.
The celery salt is the finishing touch here. It's kind of the secret sauce, the celery salt.
Absolutely.
Finish.
There we go.
Speaking of TV magic, look at us. I have my Chicago-style hot dog here with all your ingredients. Cheers, my friend. Hey, talk about a practical segment. We got to do this every week. This is amazing. And it's so easy. You can do it right from your house. You don't have to go to Chicago yet. All right, that wraps it up for I'm Hungry, We'll Travel Soon. I think we have a graphic. Look out, folks. Hey guys, this channel is a celebration of all things travel, so hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment or question, share this video, like it, rate it, whatever. Believe me, it all helps. Thanks for watching.